Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. 3 class student. I am Fatma here with the first lecture of SST of chapter number 1. Open page number 2. Geography section. Unit number 1. Chapter number 1. The Earth in the space. The solar system consists of Earth, Sun and the Moon, which are surrounding the Sun. The solar system is made up of Sun and 8 planets that move around it in space. The Earth is a planet. It is surrounded by the atmosphere, which is made of layers of air that keep all living things alive. Space is the vast darkness beyond the Earth and sky. There is no light and air in space, but there are millions of stars and planets and millions of kilometers away from the Earth. We can see the stars at night, but we see the sun during the day. The sun is a very bright star. It is a huge ball of very hot gases and it gives us heat and light. It is much bigger than the Earth and the other planets. The Earth is not fixed in one place. It spins anti-clockwise direction and it completes its circle round the sun in 24 hours. On its axis in 24 hours, and the Earth also moves around the sun and it takes year for the Earth to move around the sun. The moon. The moon is closer to the Earth. It is smaller than the Earth. The moon is also called the natural satellite of the Earth, and it is a solid body. It has no heat or light, or its light is reflection of the sun's light. The moon is called a natural satellite because it goes round the Earth. The Earth and moon both move round the sun. What causes day and night? Early in the morning we say the sun is rising. In the evening we say the sun is setting. Actually the sun does not move at all. The spinning movement of Earth causes day and night. It is day in that part of the Earth which faces the sun, and it is night on the other side that faces away from the sun. Night time for us is daytime for people on other side of the Earth. Land and water. The surface of the Earth is made up of land and water. Seas and oceans make up almost 2/3 of the Earth's surface. The land near the sea is called coast, and it is usually very low. It is at the same level as the sea, so we say it as sea level. In some places there are high mountains. They can reach a height or altitude of over 8,000 meters above sea level. Mount Everest in Nepal is the highest mountain in the world, and it is 8,848 meters high. Large areas of water on the Earth is called oceans. Smaller areas are called seas. The water in the sea is always moving about, and this movement is called currents. The deepest point in the ocean is Mariana Trench in the Pacific Ocean, and it is 11,022 meters deep. On the land there are hills and mountains. Hills are not as high and steep as mountains. The lowland between hills and mountains is called valley, and a high area of land is called plateau. Flatland at lower level are called plains. Some parts of the land have very little water. These places are called deserts. They are also sandy and rocky. In some parts of the earth there are little ice and snow, and it is very cold. An area of land surrounded by water from all sides is called island, and a body of water surrounded by land on all sides is called a lake. Now take out your notebooks for exercise. Note down exercise questions. Dear student, these are exercise questions of chapter number 1 on page number 5. Take screenshots of these questions and write these on your notebook. Students, open page number 6, work page. Make your own glossary by finding the new words from the lesson and writing them next to their correct meaning. My glossary. The part of the time on the side of the Earth which is facing the sun is called day. The planet where we live is Earth. A natural satellite of Earth is called Moon. The part of the time on the side of Earth facing away from the sun is called night. The time of the Earth takes to go round the sun 1 year. Look at the dictionary and find out these words mean. Planet. A large round object in space that circle round the sun is called planet. Solid. Solid means film or stable shape. Reflection, return of light waves which cast image. Satellite, an object in space which orbit round planet or moon is called satellite. Fill in the blanks. A plateau is high flat land. The area where the land meets the sea at the same level is called the sea level. Water surrounded from all sides by land is called lake, and the small area of land surrounded by water is called island. A sandy place without much water is called a desert. Now come on page number 7. True, false. A plain is low, flat land. True. T. Dirty water damages plant and animal life. True. Rivers flow from the sea to land. False, because rivers flow from land to sea, from mountains towards sea. Fourth, mountains are higher than hills. True. Dear students, complete this work page on your book, page number 6 and 7, and do homework on your book. Dear student, this is all about lecture number 1. Take care. Allah Hafiz.